Live on roll.
So Kirtana, I'm wearing the mask, but I don't see anybody else wearing it.
And celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be.
Good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. As the song read it right, congratulations to each and every one of us, and we all are excited. You know why? We are celebrating our very first anniversary of Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmasters Club. A big round of applause for that. I am Toastmaster Peratu Selvi, Sergeant at Arms of this prestigious Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmasters Club. To keep it simple, here are a few general housekeeping rules. Kindly rename yourself with the role you play and your name. If you're a guest, please rename as guest your name. If you're a district officer, Kindly rename yourself with your role and your name. You can enable gallery view in Zoom to be able to see everyone. Please put your audio on mute when you're not speaking. Encourage to switch on your video so that speaker gets motivated with your virtual crowd. Ground rules to be followed and respected are as follows. Please keep your noise-making devices on silent mode to uphold the service and excellence of the meeting. Please do not move around or speak while a speaker is speaking to give respect to the speaker. Please refrain from talking about sex, religion, or politics to maintain the integrity of the meeting. The mission of the Toastmasters Club. We provide a supportive and positive learning experience in which members are empowered to develop communication and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. Wow, what is all of a sudden we have a pledge here? Pledge, what does it mean? It gives us a oneness. We all, each and every fellow Toastmaster here, are moving towards a common goal. So here we have a pledge which will help us to achieve the goal by taking this pledge. I request you all to turn on your video and read the pledge. Your hands. Thank you. Toastmasters pledge. To attend club meetings regularly. To prepare all my projects to the best of my ability, basing them on the Toastmasters education program. To prepare for and fulfill meeting assignments. To provide fellow members with helpful, constructive evaluations. To help the club maintain the positive, friendly environment necessary for all the members to learn and grow. To serve my club as an officer when I asked upon to do so. To treat my fellow members and our guests with respect and courtesy. To bring guests to club meetings so they can see the benefits Toastmasters membership offers. To adhere to the guidelines and the rules of all Toastmasters education and recognition programs. To act within Toastmasters core values of integrity, respect, service, and excellence during the conduct of all Toastmasters activities. Thank you. I thank each and every one of you for being a part of a pledge. Hope we all move towards it. Now, being a celebration, the first year celebration of our club, I would like to hand over the virtual stage to a person who's highly vibrant. Usually there is a saying that a logical thinker cannot be a sportsman. A sportsman cannot be a person who's well organized. A person who is creative cannot manage all this. But, you know, we, a club, Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmaster Club, is blessed with a president who comes an all-rounder. She's a sports person. She is highly creative. She holds a doctorate, highly ambitious, mother of loving children, a lovely wife, and above all, my mentor who always motivates me, guides me, and boosts me with energy. Now I hand over the virtual podium to Dr. Toastmaster Ashwati Rajan. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Peratha Selvi, for that lovely introduction. You just made my day. Thank you so much. A very warm welcome to all the dear fellow Toastmasters and lovely guests. A very happy anniversary to our Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmasters Club. I remember the day of our chartering when I said that our club is like a phoenix bird. And today, that phoenix bird has reached on heights and soaring high. At this moment, I have a small story to share with all of you. The story is about Steve Jobs. You all know him. This event took place at a moment when he was forced out of Apple. And that was the time he bought a small computer manufacturer named Pixar. I hope you all know about it. It is a very famous manufacturer now. And now at this point, they decided to relocate their office. And their initial plan was to have three buildings for their office setup. One for their computer scientists, another one for animators, another one for the executives. But finally, Steve Jobs relocated the company to an abandoned Del Monte canning factory. Now, this shocked everyone around. Everyone asked him why he took this decision. And you know what he said? He said the philosophy behind this plan is that it's good to put the most important function at the heart of the building, because that building had a single vast space in between at the center, which was the atrium at its center. Now, what's that important function? It's the interaction of the employees. So according to him, the most important function in that company was the interaction between his employees. That's why he bought that building. Initially, that atrium was like a waste of space, but slowly he found people making eye contacts there, coming there, discussing things, sharing their moments, trying to understand each other, solving others' problem, coming up with solutions, everything. And that place became the most happening place of that office. Even if it came at the expense of convenience, the emphasis on consilience has been always a defining trait of him. And according to him, when people from different fields were connected and exchanged their thoughts, success is assured. Dear friends, that's exactly happens here in Dynamic Leaders Forum, Toastmasters Club 2. We have this wonderful platform here where we connect, share, discuss, and support each other, and we learn and grow. And today, this journey have not only completed 365 days, but also made a mark for itself. And it's all because of our unity and zeal to do our best. So let's cheer up for each and every member of Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmasters Club. So with that, I hereby declare the meeting begins here, and that too with this. For a second, I want to remove my virtual background to show you the golden gavel which we received recently. So I hereby start this meeting with this special golden gavel for Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmasters Club. So now it's time to introduce our guests. We have so many guests today. Special welcome to Avinash, who was our chartered member, and now he's in Ireland. He's joining us today from Ireland. Thank you, Avinash, for joining us. So let's introduce the guests. We have guest Mr. Chandrasekhar here. Sir, would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Toastmaster Chandrasekhar from Chennai Champions Toastmasters.
Yes, sir.
It's always a pleasure to attend a birthday bash because always we get a piece of cake. So I just joined over here and hope to get some piece of cake.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us today. We also have guest Venu.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, my name is Venu Alampalli. I'm from Dilshana Toastmaster Community Club. Okay, I'm also member of TCS Corporate Club. So, my ex-club member Cyril was there. Wherever he is there, there is innovation, there is a creativity. So, it is 365 days. I thought something I can learn from this club. So that is the reason I took time to join this club.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Hope you enjoy the day. And we also have Ritika with us. She's from Nepal. She's joining us from Nepal. Hi, Ritika.
Hello everyone, Namaste. And I am Ritika. Currently, I am pursuing my master's degree in nutrition and dietetics. And today I am joining to learn many things in this club. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ritika. And we also have Hannah from Hindustan University. Hi, Hannah.
Hi, ma'am, and good afternoon to everyone. I'm really glad I made it today to attend this meeting. I was waiting to from last few days, like few months, I'm thinking to join the meeting every Sunday, but it is not possible. Today I made it. I'm really happy and thank you.
Thank you so much, Hannah. So with that, now it's time to call the MC for today's meeting. And today, to do that role, we have a very vibrant Toastmaster with us. She's a third-year student at FDDI Noida campus, and she loves baking and doing mandala art in her free time. About her journey in Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmasters Club, she says it has been a roller coaster ride for her. And from being someone who did not even want to join Toastmasters, even though her father is a amazing, passionate Toastmasters, and still she says to making it all the way to the table topics division contest. Yes, she was there. She made it up to division level and securing third place. So that too in the first year itself. Really, it was an amazing journey, Kirtana. And she says, I have come a long way, and this journey and growth would not have been possible without this club. So thank you so much for sharing your beautiful journey with us. So here we have Toastmaster Kirtana Chandrasekhar, the MC for today's meeting. Over to you, Kirtana.
Thank you, Toastmaster Ashwati. Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. I am delighted to be the master of ceremonies for today's meeting. Before we get into the meeting, I want to tell all of you about the growth of the club. From being a club that was started in the middle of the pandemic to defying all odds and getting awards such as the Gold Club Award, Excellence in Quality Award, and of course, the prestigious Golden Gavel Award, we have come a long way. This immense growth would not have been possible without our president, Toastmaster Ashwati Rajan, and her ex-corp team. The club was nurtured and tended to like a baby by not only the president, but also the club mentors and sponsors. We started with 21 members last year, and today we are a family of 32. People in Toastmasters say that the first year of the club is the most difficult one, and in fact, crucial to the growth of the club. But now that we have crossed it, I can safely say that the hardest part is over. But this does not mean that we can rest. We still have a long way to go and we have to diligently perform. Now, can any one of you guess what is so special about today's meeting? We turned 1. Today's meeting is not going to be your ordinary Toastmasters meeting. We do not have your typical role players like the grammarian, idiom master, evaluator and all that. Today is a day of celebration. We are going to celebrate our club. Today is the first anniversary of Dynamic Leaders Forum, Toastmasters Club. For the past 1.5 years, I have been wanting to get rid of my mask and breathe freely. But today, we will all be masking up. And here is my mask. Where is yours? I would request everyone to show your mask and turn your camera on. Zoom master, please take a picture. Now, all of you buckle up. We are all about to embark on a super fun ride. I would like to request all of you turn your videos on so that we have a more fun-filled and interactive experience. Thank you. Today's meeting will be split into 3 different segments: Talent Express, Funopedia, and Memoirs. I will be explaining these segments further into the meeting. Without any further ado, let's move on to the first segment of today's meeting, Talent Express. In our club, we believe in inclusivity. In fact, one of the main reasons why our club is an online club is because we did not want people to be bounded by boundaries. We have welcomed people of all ages, countries, and different walks of life into our club. And just like that, today we have people of all different talents lined up to show what they have in store. To start up the Talent Express today, we have Nitish, a young and dynamic Toastmaster who will be playing the keyboard for us today. It's such a great event and a way to start today's meeting, right? Wow, that was phenomenal, Toastmaster Nitish. Next, we have Toastmaster Kavita to sing a song for us. The stage is yours, Toastmaster Kavita.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes. This lyrics I have taken from, it has been written by Eril Anbarasi, and the tune is a familiar song, Tamil song. It's a situation song, we can take it and start. பாழும் கொரோனாவே இன்னும் எங்களை நீ பாடாய் படுத்தாதே. பாழும் கொரோனாவே இன்னும் எங்களை நீ பாடாய் படுத்தாதே. சத்தமுத்தம் கொடுத்தான் யாரிதான், சர்வதேசம் முழுக்க தீடிதான். போடும் சாமி, போடும் சாமி, போடும் சாமி, போடும் சாமி. பாழும் கொரோனாவே இன்னும் எங்களை பாடாய் படுத்தாதே. நாளை எண்ணி நடக்கிற பொழப்பு, காலை தூக்கம் இரவினில் முழிப்பு. தேதியை மறந்தோமே, எப்போது தேதியில் இருந்தோமே. சீனாக்காரன் இது சுகமா நாங்கள் வீட்டில் இருப்பது தகுமா எதிரும் விலைவாசி இங்கில்லை எவனும் சுகவாசி வௌவால் திந்த படுபாவி வைரஸ் தந்த கொடும்பாவியே பாழும் கொரோனாவே இன்னும் எங்களை பாராய் படுத்தாரே. Thank you.
Wow, Toastmaster Kavita, that was so good. Toastmasters from Dynamic Leaders Forum are not only good when it comes to public speaking, they are also poets. Next up, we have DTM Durga, who will be reciting a poem for us.
Good evening, Toastmasters and my dear friends. Today I am going to recite a poem. The title is Rediscover Your Dreams. While moving on the crossroads, few misty moments move you away from your dreams. Your matured maneuver might remind you to steer towards your dreams. While your mind tries to detach you with distractions, your heart keeps pulsating powerfully with your dreams. While you chase your dreams closely with courage, your challenges try to conquer them with discourage. While wandering dream vanish in vacuum, your focused dream would always await for the furnace to quench its thirst. Once your dream finds such furnace, it will transform it from charcoal into diamonds. Your deep-rooted dream would be invigorated from the incubation. One such furnace that transformed me from the clipped and curled cocoon when I landed on the stage of Toastmasters with the proud that I rediscovered my wings. The thought traffic that got struck with shy, then got the wings to fly. I rediscovered a poised public speaker in me with rich thoughts, the quiet introvert and enfeebled whose words were in incubation, then got the ignition. I rediscovered a poised poet in me with rich words. I rediscovered myself and I got the wings. Now my words got the dance tunes, and now my pen can script those dance steps and authenticating them as my dream poetry. My thoughts got the wings. Now my mouth can mirror my mind and jingle them as my dream speech. With the wings of Toastmasters, I rediscovered my dream to fly. Have you all rediscovered yours? Thank you.
Wow, that was a beautiful poem, DTM Durga. Toastmaster Satya Narayanan wowed the judges in the district meet last month. Today, he is here to blow our minds with his art and doodling skill. Let's see that. Wow, the drawings was simply a treat to the eyes, and especially I loved your attention to detail, Toastmaster Satyanarayanan. Next up, we have Toastmaster Rohini, who's going to play the keyboard for us. Shall we see that? Wow, Toastmaster Rohini, your performance was just stunning. Last but not the least, we have Toastmaster Rosa, who's going to be doing a dance performance for us today. Toastmaster Rosa, your performance was definitely like the cherry on top of the cake. I'm pretty sure all the Toastmasters present here would agree. I am just amazed that all our Toastmasters are all rounders when it comes to talent. I think we can all agree that Dynamic Leaders Forum, each member has some hidden talent or the other. Moving on, our next segment for today's meeting is going to be super fun and exciting. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Funopedia. Before we start the first activity, can any one of you tell me what day it is today, other than the first anniversary of our club?
Father's Day.
That's right.
Thank you.
Fathers play a very important role in each of our lives, from dropping us off at school when we were little to teaching us how to ride a bicycle. They have done it all. We know each other very well, but can we guess the dads of our Toastmasters? I will be displaying the pictures of the dads of the Toastmasters in Dynamic Leaders Forum, and you will have to guess which Toastmasters dad it is. Feel free to either unmute yourself or type your answers in the chat box. The first one to get it right will not get something, but other applause. Look for any resemblances in their facial features or their body language too. So shall we start the game? Please type a OK in the chat box.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. PPT master. So who do you think, whose daddy do you think this is?
Nitish.
Nitish.
Wow, that's correct, Manju ma'am. Moving on, let's move to the second one. Whose dad do you think this is? Any guesses? Okay, shall we reveal the answer, PPT master?
Whether it's lady or guy, at least please give a clue.
Lady.
Okay.
This Toastmaster Kavita's dad, Mr. Tangavel. Whose dad do you think this is?
Ashwati.
That's right, Nitish. You got it absolutely correct. Mr. Rajendra Prasad is Toastmaster Ashwati's dad. So we have the fourth father here. Whose father do you think this is, Toastmasters?
Toastmaster Vivek.
Is that right or wrong? Zoa, PPT master, let's reveal the answer. You're right, Toastmaster Ashwati. You're spot on. Next, the fifth dad. Any guesses, Toastmasters?
Devi ma'am, maybe.
Yeah, possible. Maybe Sridevi ma'am.
Vaishnavi. Toastmaster.
Sridevi ma'am says it's Swati. Okay, shall we reveal the answer, PPT master? Whose dad this is? There is Toastmaster Rosa's dad, Mr. Ephraim. Okay, moving on. Any guesses, Toastmaster?
Sridevi ma'am.
Sridevi ma'am.
You got it absolutely right. It is Sridevi ma'am's father, Mr. Srinivasan. Okay, the seventh dad for today. Any guesses, Toastmasters? Whose dad do you think this is?
Suresh Mali sir. No, sorry.
Come on.
Durga.
DTM Durga's dad, Mr. Balasubramaniam. Okay, and eighth one. Whose dad does this look like?
Manju ma'am. It's Manju ma'am's dad.
Shall we reveal the answer, PPT master? It's Padmavati ma'am's father, Mr. Balakrishna. Next, please. Number 9, any guesses?
Cyril.
Swati ma'am.
Cyril or
Oh, Sridevi ma'am actually got it right. She texted me the answer. Congratulations, Mr. Manika Vasam, who is Perathu Selvi ma'am's father. Next. Any guesses?
We know.
RMC. Toastmaster Kirtana.
That's right. It's my father, Mr. Chandrasekhar. Next, 11th one. Any guesses?
Vaishnavi.
That's right, Sridevi. Toastmaster Sridevi ma'am, you got it right. I see resemblances here. Any guesses? Toastmasters, look closely. I'm pretty sure all of you can guess.
Roshan.
Yeah.
That's right, Toastmaster Ashwati, you got it right. Looks like you know all of the dads also. You know each of the Toastmasters very well. You know whose dad is who. Okay, 13th.
Snehalatama. Snehalatama.
Shall we check if you are right, Manju ma'am? PPT master? It's Toastmaster Satyanarayanan's dad, Mr. Subramanian. Okay. Next, 14th one. Any guesses?
Suresh sir.
Suresh. You're right. It's Suresh sir's father, Mr. Subramanian. Okay, 15th. Whose daddy does this look like?
This must be Swati.
Cyril.
It looks like map.
You got it right, Toastmasters. It's Mr. Thomas, Cyril's father. Next one.
Uma.
Uma Maheshwari. Yeah.
That's right, Manju ma'am. That's right. It's Toastmaster Uma Maheshwari's father, Mr. Srinivasan. With this, we come to the end of the Father's Day event. I'm pretty sure that all our minds are active after all the guesswork we've done. Now let's move on to the next segment. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the rapid fire round. But before we start this round, I want to call up a very special person, Toastmaster Uma. She will be helping me co-host this segment. Toastmaster Uma, over to you. She is a soft skills trainer, YouTuber, storyteller, and a mother of twin girls. Over to you, Toastmaster Uma.
Thank you, Toastmaster Kirtana. Dear fellow Toastmasters and guests, this rapid fire round, let me give you first the rules of this round. See, we'll be 5 members will be volunteering for each round. We'll be having 3 rounds. And you'll be having 60 questions of 5 minutes for each round, whichever comes first. And whoever sustains till that time will be the winner. And whoever says the correct answer will be eliminated. Yes, you heard it right. You should give the wrong answer to sustain in this round. And whoever does not answer more than 5 seconds will be eliminated. And you cannot say the answer, I don't know. If you say it, you will be eliminated. So before the 60th questions or the 5th minute, if only one person remains, he or she will be winner. Hope you all understood the rules. So let us give a small demo with Kirtana. I'll be asking Kirtana 2 or 3 questions and she should give the wrong answer to sustain. Okay. Toastmaster Kirtana. What comes the day after Thursday?
Saturday.
What is 2 plus 3?
16.
How many fingers do you have?
7.
So this is the rules, very simple, right? So let's see how many of you are having that reflex and giving the answer immediately. I mean the wrong answer immediately. So do we have any volunteers? We need 5 volunteers for round 1.
Okay, I can be the volunteer.
Okay. We have Vivek, Suresh sir, and I saw one another hand raised. Yeah. Kavita, Suresh sir. Yeah. 2 more. We need 2 more.
Irshad sir has raised his hand.
Okay. Okay. So I'll be asking you questions. Yeah, Sridevi ma'am. Okay. So I'll be asking you questions.
Can
Yes,
I
sir.
repeat the same answer for all the questions? You
No.
didn't say that in the room.
Thank you for adding me. Thank you for adding me one more rule. You cannot answer the same answer for every question. Thank you, sir. Okay, I'll be asking you questions in round robin fashion. And if you are giving the wrong answer or not, if you're not giving the wrong answer, or if you are keeping silent for 5 seconds, or if you say, I don't know, or say the same answer, you are not in the straw. Okay, we'll start. Toastmaster Kavita, what is the color of your dress?
Black.
Toastmaster Vivek, what is your name?
Manju.
Toastmaster Suresh Mali, what is the time now?
Facebook.
Toastmaster Ishit, what day is today?
Monday.
Toastmaster Sridevi, what is 1 plus 1?
Lunch.
Toastmaster Kavita, what will you get when you multiply a number by 0?
5.
Toastmaster Vivek, which Avenger has the hammer?
Anjaneer.
Toastmaster Suresh Mali, who is the hero of the movie Darbar?
Black.
Toastmaster Ishit, how many alphabets are there in English?
20.
Sridevi, how many days in a week?
28.
Toastmaster Kavita, you hear through your
Nose.
Toastmaster Vivek, what is 10 plus 10?
100.
Toastmaster Suresh, what is the first letter of the alphabet?
What?
Toastmaster Ishit, how many stairs will be in a building which is having 1 floor?
7.
Toastmaster Sridevi, India got independence in which year?
1922.
Toastmaster Kavita, when is Children's Day?
September 5th.
Toastmaster Vivek, what is the singular form of mobiles?
Laptop.
Toastmaster Suresh, what is the 3rd planet in solar system?
Cable.
Toastmaster Ishit, which month comes before December?
May.
Toastmaster Sridevi, what is our national animal?
Tiger.
That's the correct answer.
Well done. That's the right answer.
Toastmaster Kavita, what is the baby lion called?
Peacock.
Toastmaster Vivek, what number comes after 2?
99.
Toastmaster Suresh, the 25th letter of the alphabet is?
X.
Toastmaster Ishit, what is H2O?
Sun.
5 seconds is gone. Okay. Toastmaster Kavita, how many hours are there in a day?
100.
Toastmaster Vivek, how many shapes does a pentagon have?
24.
And Toastmaster Suresh, in cricket, how many balls are there in an over?
Moon.
Toastmaster Kavita, how many apples are there in 1 dozen?
15.
Toastmaster Vivek, what is the value of pi?
Mercury.
Toastmaster Suresh, what is the color of the sky?
Pineapple.
Toastmaster Kavita, ancient pyramids are located in Toastmaster Vivek, what is a sweet food made by bees?
T Nagar.
Toastmaster Suresh, what is the subject to read about numbers?
Teach.
Toastmaster Vivek, in Vijaya, what does R mean?
Bangalore.
Toastmaster Suresh, what does CBI stands for?
Car.
Toastmaster Vivek, who invented telephone?
Circle.
Toastmaster Suresh, how many months are there in a year?
Science.
Toastmaster Vivek, how many grams make a kilogram?
1001.
Toastmaster Suresh, how many bones are there in the human body?
Bench.
Toastmaster Vivek, what is the color of the traffic light apart from red and yellow?
Black.
Toastmaster Suresh, name the planet which we live.
Phone.
Toastmaster Vivek, the currency of India is?
Mobile phone.
Toastmaster Suresh, the group of lions is called?
Microfinancing.
Toastmaster Vivek, which insects live in a hive?
Singapore.
Toastmaster Suresh, when is Valentine's Day?
Hilaria.
Toastmaster Vivek, who is the founder of Microsoft?
Max.
Toastmaster Suresh, when is Christmas?
Apple.
Toastmaster Vivek, what is the name of our country?
Antarctica.
Toastmaster Suresh, what is the language I am talking now?
Casablanca.
Toastmaster Vivek, who is the owner of Reliance?
Steve Jobs.
Toastmaster Suresh, who hosts Big Boss?
Sunday brunch.
Toastmaster Vivek, what is 3 into 3?
Pongal.
Toastmaster Suresh, which year did Dynamic Leaders Forum started?
Staycation.
Toastmaster Vivek, who is called Ulaganayagan?
My mother.
Toastmaster Suresh, what is the opposite of angry?
Compliment.
Toastmaster Vivek, what is the color of orange?
Mango.
Toastmaster Suresh, what is the name of our club?
Rahman.
Toastmaster Vivek, we sit on a chair or a table? Wow. Congratulations, Toastmaster Suresh. You are the winner for this round. That's great.
No, you are the winner. That was a fantastic round.
Yes.
Yeah.
Excellent. You
Well
really
done,
tested
Omar.
us.
Thank you. So
Great job.
can we, thank you. Can we have another 5 set of members, please, for round 2?
But this time we should make one more rule. We should say, if you are asking a number, you should say number only. You cannot say Mesopotamia if you ask a number, or alphabet should not be number. It should be
Ma-
little logical.
Manju
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am.
found my strategy.
Logical stuff. Manju ma'am is correctly saying everyone is saying anything. That's not wrong, right? We have 3. We need 3 more.
2 more.
Sorry,
We
2
need
more.
2 more. So Rosa ma'am raised hand. Manik Velanar raised hand. Okay. Manikivelan sir has raised hand. Can we include him also? That makes 5. We need 1 more.
He needs to on the camera.
Great. So, as per Manju ma'am, we are including this rule also. We need a logical answer. So let's see how many of you are saying. Okay. So, guest Venu, how many?
Yes, I'm there.
Sorry, how many weeks are there in a month?
6.
Toastmaster Swati, leap year has how many days?
200.
Toastmaster Rosa, What comes to the top, cup or saucer?
Saucer.
Okay. Toastmaster, sorry, Manikavalan, when is New Year?
December 29.
Okay. Mr. Chandrasekhar, which month comes after March?
May.
Okay. Mr. Venu, what is the capital of Tamil Nadu?
Delhi.
Toastmaster Swati, what is the plural form of book?
Cup.
Toastmaster Rosa, what is the capital of India?
Maharashtra.
Mr. Manikavalan, how many wheels does a bicycle have?
5.
Mr. Chandrasekhar, what is the first planet in solar system?
Earth.
Mr. Venu, in Tom and Jerry, what is the cat's name?
Sir, I didn't listen. Can you please repeat?
In Tom and Jerry, what is the cat's name?
Rohit.
Okay, it's gone. Toastmaster Swati, how many colors are there in a rainbow?
2.
Toastmaster Rosa, how many legs does a cat have?
3.
Mr. Manikavalan, what animal comes in the story Little Red Riding Hood?
Goat.
Mr. Chandrasekhar, how many oceans surround India?
7.
Toastmaster Swati, what is 3 minus 3?
5.
Toastmaster Rosa, what is the highest mountain in the world?
Munnar Mountain.
Toastmaster Mr. Manikavalan, how many wonders are there in the world?
11.
Okay. Mr. Chandrasekhar, the desert located in the Thar Desert is located in which country?
USA.
Toastmaster Swati, what is the last letter of the alphabet?
2.
Mr. Manikavalan, what is our national sport?
Tennis.
Mr. Chandrasekhar, which animal is called the ship of the desert?
Camel.
Camel is the right answer. Congratulations, Manikavalan. You are the winner of this round.
Thank you.
Okay, so for round 3, can we have 5 other volunteers, please? Toastmaster Bindu, Zoommaster Nitish, Toastmaster Sneha, can we have 2 more?
On ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്.
So we need 2 more volunteers.
I think Avinash wants to join. We can add him.
Okay. So Bindu, what is the big number?
I didn't get you, pardon. Voice is getting cut.
What is the biggest 1-digit number?
24.
Toastmaster Nitish, what is the color of tomato?
Pink.
Toastmaster Sneha, you see through your
Nose.
Toastmaster Perathu Selvi, what is 2 plus 3?
9.
Guest Avinash, what is the spelling of tea?
J.
Toastmaster Bindu, how many fingers are there in one hand?
10.
Toastmaster Nitish, what is 5 into 0?
9.
Toastmaster Sneha, how many sides are there in a square?
10.
Toastmaster Perathu Selvi, what is Harry Potter's school name?
PSBB Millennium.
Toastmaster Avinash, Let It Go song comes in which movie?
Darbar.
Toastmaster Bindu, Big Ben is located in which country?
I am not able to hear you properly. Sorry.
Toastmaster Bindu, please listen carefully. Big Ben is located in which country?
Sydney.
Toastmaster Nitish, when is Teachers' Day?
Today 11.
Toastmaster Sneha, what is the color of ruby?
Blue.
Toastmaster Peratu Selli, how many continents are there in the world?
1.
Toastmaster Bindu, what is CO translated from Italian? Sorry. What is CO translated from Italian? Okay. Toastmaster
13.
Nitish, what is the home place of Gangaru?
India.
Toastmaster Sneha, which country have cricket as their national game?
America.
Toastmaster Peratu Selli,
Great
what is our
Ireland.
national flower?
Rose.
Toastmaster Nitish, what is the opposite of inside?
Outside.
That's the correct answer. Congratulations, Peratu Selli ma'am. So now we have 3 winners in 3 rounds. So we are going to have one final round with those 3 people. So are you 3 ready?
Yes.
So can we have the winners? Suresh Mali sir.
Yes.
Manikavelu.
Manikavelu. Okay. Can we start the round?
Yeah.
Okay. Toastmaster Peratu Selvi, what is the smallest 3-digit number?
2.
Toastmaster Suresh, what is the color of apple?
Orange.
Manikavelen, what is 5 plus 2?
9.
Toastmaster Peratu Selvi, what day is tomorrow?
Sunday.
Toastmaster Suresh Mali, what comes before July? What month comes before July?
August.
Toastmaster Peratu Selvi, what is the plural form of watch?
Time.
Toastmaster Suresh Mali,
I
who
guess
is called
Suresh
superstar?
sir said the right answer, right? What month comes before July? No.
No. Toastmaster Suresh Mali, who is called superstar?
Kamala Hassan.
Toastmaster Peratu Selvi, what is the capital of Andhra Pradesh?
Lucknow.
Toastmaster Suresh Mali, how many wheels does a car have?
43.
Toastmaster Peratu Selvi, what letter comes before A?
B.
Toastmaster Suresh Mali, what day is yesterday?
Monday.
Toastmaster Peratu Selvi, in Tom and Jerry, what is the name of the mouse?
Jerry.
That's the correct answer. Wow, Suresh Mali sir, congratulations. You're the ultimate winner of this rapid fire round. I think I have to go and refresh my GK.
Thank you.
Best wishes, sir.
Over to you, Toastmaster Keertana.
Thank you, Toastmaster Uma. It was simply amazing watching you conduct the game. The rapid fire round definitely turned the heat up. I hope all your hearts are racing from all the action that we saw. The last game was focused on individual play and strategy. But how about we do some things different now? Something as a group. When it comes to Dynamic Leaders Forum, we are all team players. So how can we celebrate our first anniversary without having a group activity? As it is something that defines us. So here is the game. All the members and guests will be assigned into breakout rooms randomly. A phrase will be provided to you. And using that phrase, you will have to come up with as many English words as you can. Note, 2-letter words are not counted. For example, the phrase you can see on the screen is strawberry farm. Using this string of words or letters, you can create words such as was, raw, bars, Mars, war, marry, and many more. It is completely up to you. The group that forms the maximum number of words will be declared the winner of this activity. Teams, make sure that you choose a team leader and ensure that all the words will be noted by the team leader. If you have any doubts, now is the time to ask them.
So if the team forms all the words, they need to share anything with you?
Yes, after they come back into the main room, they will have to share it with me, and the team that has the maximum number of words, the leader can tell everyone the words that they've come up with.
So does strawberry and farm also count as 3 words? Like,
Yeah, you can count
farm.
Okay, got it.
Can we use the letters again and again? I mean,
Yeah, you can use it, but whatever is only there in the word you can use. Like for instance, R is repeated like 4 times, right? You can use only 4 as maximum in your word. You cannot use more than that.
When I give the report, can I have duplicate words in that?
No.
No.
Can I use a tool to remove duplicates?
Python programs.
Okay. Yeah.
you're giving ideas.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Any other questions?
How many minutes you said, Kirtana?
10
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
After 10 minutes, automatically you'll be back into the main room, so you don't have to leave the meeting. So the master has been enabling it for 10 minutes, 10 or 12 minutes, just for logistic purpose.
Zoom master,
Zoom,
please. Yeah.
Zoom master ready?
Participants will be invited to join the meeting breakout rooms. Please join it using the invite.
Kirtana, can we reveal the word first?
Yeah. So Toastmasters, this will be your word that you have to make words with. So it is a dynamic leaders forum. You have to come with as many words as you can using this. We can also, I'll also broadcast a message.
Just give me a moment. Let's check if everyone is joined. Sneha ma'am didn't join it. Sneha ma'am alone have not yet joined, and Gautam have not yet joined. Yeah. Out of 4 teams,
Anyone yet to join? I see some people are unassigned. Nitesh, can you assign them, like Manju ma'am?
Yeah, Manju ma'am, I have already assigned. She is in Ruby.
Okay. Sneha ma'am, you can assign Sneha ma'am.
Sneha ma'am is also being assigned. She's there. She is supposed to be there in room.
Yeah, can you reassign her? Maybe she's not joined.
Yeah, sure. I will.
Even I didn't receive the message.
Just a minute, ma'am. I'm assigning even for Manju ma'am is having 2 devices, so 1 device is being assigned already.
Okay.
I'm even assigning Ashwati ma'am.
Okay.
Gautam alone did not join. I don't know why. Toastmaster Gautam.
I guess Gautam did not join. I guess he left the meeting. Maybe that's
Gautam did not join. Padmavati, Ritika.
Yeah, so we have diamond everyone. We in sapphire we have 1 less. So maybe Vaishnavi, you want to be assigned to? Okay, Vaishnavi is there.
She's timer, right? So do I need to assign her also?
Not sure about other folks. Ritika, you can assign Ritika.
Yeah, I have already assigned. She did not join it.
So Ritika, can you join a room if you're there on the meeting? I guess she's muted or somewhere. Gautam, you're there in the meeting? Toastmaster Gautam.
Sir, I have sent you the list of people who have assigned, and I have sent you the screenshot as well.
Yeah. I guess me, Kirtana can see because we are host and co-host.
Yeah, it's visible. Only in Sapphire, one person is missing. Only Gautam is missing. Other groups are all full.
Yeah.
Yes.
Six in each.
So timer, Vaishnavi, are there? You want to get into any room? So I guess we have 6 in each, right? No, except Sapphire.
Everything is having, yeah, except Sapphire. But as I assigned 6 members in each room.
Awesome.
If you want,
How,
I can assign
how did
Vaishnavi.
you find as of now, till now? It's going good.
I did not receive any message. Just a second.
Oh, I'm asking you guys.
Oh, yeah, it's good. It's good. It's great.
Yeah. So this room will be there for 7 minutes. If you want to hop in any room, you can join in any room and come back. So next is we have expressions, right? So do you have anything? So next is you say the team leaders should send you the names, so numbers to you. How many words you have?
Yeah, the numbers, and then I will be picking. Yeah.
Privately, and then you will say. You can broadcast it again. Team
Okay,
leaders,
sure.
send me a personal chat. How many words have you? I don't know.
Do you want me to go into each room and like see how they're doing or something?
You can just go and.
Okay, chalo, theek hai, I'll do it now.
I'll also go and come back.
Okay,
Yeah,
then
yeah.
I'll also go.
You can also, okay, fine. So I'll join Diamond first. I guess Nitish, you join Emerald, Toastmaster Cyril. You can go to Sapphire first.
I'm joining Sapphire.
Okay.
Toastmaster Vaishnavi, are you there? All are back, I guess.
You're on mute. I can't hear you. Toastmaster Cyril, you're on mute.
70, 80. Do you see?
Yeah. No, when I went into the rooms, they were all like, you're disturbing us. Go outside.
I can find centuries in many groups.
What happened, Nitesh?
Century number of words I can see.
Oh, wow.
Oh my God. Let's see.
Yes,
We
Irshad
have
sir's
how much
teamwork kind
minutes
of
left?
thing.
Once there is 1 minute, tell them that after the time, you should not add words.
Yeah, sir. 2 minutes is more. I already gave a message 2 minutes more. Automatically that room will
Breakout
close.
room will close, right?
They'll come back to main screen, like main room.
So from main room, who's there? 5 people. You, me, Kirtana, Vaishnavi, and I guess the other device of Manju ma'am.
Yeah, Manju ma'am's another device. I guess
Vaishnavi, you're there?
Vaishnavi is not responding. That is what I also tried. Okay, if she's there, she can add in one team, join in one team. And
No problem. At least Vaishnavi needs to be there for the members segment.
40 seconds more.
So I guess we need to wrap up fast. We have only, so in 1 minute, we need to close this event. Tell them to quickly read out. And as you said, others can copy paste if they have copy pasted on the chat window. After you announce the winner. 30 seconds. Oh, wow. Nitesh, you can broadcast again. The leaders need to share in the numbers to Kirtana.
So can I just make it like photo or kind of thing, whatever they have given, like at all?
I don't know. They've so time is up.
Closing all breakout rooms.
Yeah. Close in 60 seconds.
Yeah. Once they are back, we can announce like stating all the participants, leaders, please put in your word count and photo in the chat box.
Have you closed all the breakout room?
Yeah, sir. Message won't reach there. No messages.
Yeah, it will close in 15 seconds.
Yeah.
14, 13, 12, 10, 9, 8. I guess whatever we are saying is recorded.
Yeah.
Done.
All back in main room.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope that all of you did a very good job. Now, team leaders, please privately text me the number of words that you formed with your group. I repeat, team leaders, please text me privately the number of words you have formed with your group.
So team leader for Diamond is?
Myself.
Aditya. Okay.
Yep.
Team leader for Emerald?
Manik Velan, sir.
Okay. Team leader for Sapphire?
Myself. Sridevi.
Sridevi ma'am. Okay. And team leader for Ruby?
That's Rosa, ma'am.
Rosa or
Rosa.
both
Okay.
are writing actually.
Okay.
Can someone compare?
I've gotten numbers from 3 team leaders. One is yet to send.
Are we good to announce the results? I guess a lot of people are
I'm
waiting.
waiting from Emerald Group.
I will send one thing.
Yeah, okay, sure. kindly also send a picture of your words if you have noted it down, or a screenshot if you have typed it down privately to me.
Can we send it to WhatsApp?
Yeah, sure. No problem.
Yeah, it's there.
Okay, so we've got it from all 4 teams. Okay, so any guesses? We have a tie actually between 2 teams. So the teams that have the maximum number of words, they made 116 words, and 2 teams have done this, which is the Diamond team. Toastmaster Vivek Aditya is the team leader, and the Rosa's team. They've also made 116 words.
Thank God I removed 6 duplicates in the end.
There are duplicates.
No, there were duplicates. I removed it in the end. So
Okay.
otherwise it would have been 122.
Oh, cheating is not allowed though. Congratulations. I will actually initially we planned to call all of you to read out these words, but then it'll probably take us a very long time if you're going to be reading out 120 words around. So I think we can skip this, right? Congratulations,
spotlight
and
the
please
winners,
share your
please.
words publicly in the group text or on WhatsApp or in this chat box right here. Your screenshots or your word list. So that was definitely an amazing session. I'm pretty sure all of you have realized the importance of teamwork. All the teams came up with so many words quickly and so many different words also. And now all our heart rates are like right here and our mind is racing right now. So to cool us down, the event planning committee team has prepared a surprise video for all of us. How else can we complete a celebration without a surprise? Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the expressions of Dynamic Leaders Forum. my God, the expressions were just spot on and made me really nostalgic. Like I would have reacted in exactly the same way in each of the situations. That was just amazing, out of the world. So Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmasters Club is not just another club. It is a family. All of us have had each other's backs and we have ensured that not only we grow personally, but we also help our peers grow. About a year ago, I joined Dynamic Toastmasters Forum. Not by choice, of course. Toastmasters was never something that I wanted to do, but this club made me fall in love with Toastmasters because that's how supportive and kind everyone in this club is, starting from the president to all the members of the XCOM. They make sure that you feel wanted in this club. They ensure that you're participating. They ensure that you are giving the best you can. And Dynamic Leaders Forum has definitely played a crucial role in shaping me. Now that you have listened to my story, let's listen to the stories of other Toastmasters. Shall we have a walk down the memory lane, shall we? So first, I would like to call DTM Manjuke Manohar, our club sponsor. Zoom Master, please spotlight her too. Good evening, ma'am. I have two questions for you. First, can you share how your demo meeting went, your demo meeting experience?
Demo meetings were actually very tough, I would say, but it was also interesting because we had to meet in person, we had to arrange a venue, and we would like to thank SSAV School Chairman Captain Vivekanand for that. And we want to thank the Royal Castle members as well as all the clubs across district who send their members for the demo meetings. So placing on record, heartfelt thanks to all of them and to the district leaders. So demo meetings were really tough because we had to drive down to this place called Tirumudivakam and then try to. We have 100 chairs, but then the difficult part is getting the members in. Some days we had 24 people. The next day this club would have 2 members. It was very dynamic actually. It was like stock market fluctuations. It was a bit tough. Once it went online, it was tougher still. But then I think the lesson we learned is if we persevere and we work as a team, we can succeed.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, so can you mention what is a lifeline or focal idea within which the club is functioning?
I think one word, if we can use to describe Dynamic Leaders Forum, I would say it is mutual respect and respect and empathy. Maybe empathy even more than integrity, respect, service, and excellence. Because once you have empathy, everything else falls in line. If you're empathetic to the other person, as well as I believe, like Bill Nye said, everyone you meet knows something that you don't know. So it's up to you to find out what is that the other person possesses and find out the diamond in them so that you can grow and transform yourself as well as together the club can transform itself.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Well said. Next, I want to call Toastmaster Suresh Malli. Okay. So, what do you think is the lifeline or focal idea within which the club is functioning?
Any Toastmaster club to be operational, the biggest and most important aspect is the club members. How many club members a club has? Though there will be people who are leaving, we have to ensure that the new club members are coming in. Okay, that it's not only in terms of bringing new members, even sustaining the existing member. These are the two key aspects for any club to be successful, in my opinion. There are a lot of people who have put the effort in the last 1 year. I think we all came together as a great team and we have made this happen. But I would like to mention the two names. I think I mentioned the same two names in the last milestone meeting as well. The leadership from our President Ashwati, she has been fantastic in ensuring that the operation is going smoothly and ensuring like every meeting has an excellent quality. And she has been instrumental in that. And second person is DTM Manju Manogar. The kind of energy she brings in is like wow. I've told her many times, like there is no way I can put so much effort like she does, and she's able to bring in a lot of energy into the team, and every single day you can see her taking some action or other for the success of the club. So these two people are the key. And the third aspect that I would say this club is very unique is this is an online club. Okay, and this is not coming out so much now because every other club is online now. But once we move out of Corona, I think this will be a unique factor that will distinguish us from other clubs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, another key member of Dynamic Leaders Forum, Toastmaster Ishrat. Can I have you on screen, sir? So, sir, when the club was starting, you would have definitely attended demo meetings, right? So what do you think about it? Is that you have like a funny experience or like something that like you got out of it?
I think in a Manju ma'am, she called me. She said, like, there is a club, this place is, I don't know, Trimudivakam. She said, I did not even know that. And when I asked her, she said, it's close to Tambaram. But later on only, I came to know that there is no way, there is no relation between Tambaram and Trimudivakam. So now my situation was that I cannot return back also. Again, like 17 kilometer I will have to go, or like another 7 or 10 kilometer. Okay, then I thought like, okay, let's better go. And it was very, fulfilling experience because the place was, I don't know, now it was little remote, and finding the place, it took quite a lot of time. But one thing I wanted to mention was that it's a consistent effort. So that is what it brought in. It doesn't matter where the place is there. And if you see that except 1 or 2, more than 90% of the members are coming from other than that place. Okay, then but we are still keeping it as like that place. The club is there, and it's a very fulfilling experience.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience.
Yep. Thank you.
Okay. So next, can I call Toastmaster Ashwati Rajan? Ma'am, if you could tell me like one word or maybe a couple of words of what Dynamic Leaders Forum stands for, like the main idea behind it, like can you describe it in just one word?
One word or about our club, or I would say our club is unique because we value each and every member. We value the thought that each one of us is unique and have different capabilities, and they have unique abilities. So that single thought we respect here. So that makes us unique.
Well said, ma'am. Like our club is like very, very unique. At the same time, we're very welcoming also. Like we take everyone and we're not bounded by anything. Okay, so next, I want to call Toastmaster Satyanarayanan.
Hi.
Hi. So can you tell me what do you think connects you to the club? And like you were the VPM for both the terms of the past 1 year, right? So
Right.
can you tell me about the growth that the club has seen?
Sorry, I am just requested to be on video. I will have to excuse me for not being on video.
Yeah, that's
Sorry for
okay.
that.
Just,
Yeah, so what connects me to the club is the energy, right? So this all of us are connected with that invisible energy that is buzzing around like electricity, right? You join this meeting and you hear that energy going on in every single meeting. And by the time you come out of the meeting, it is not that you are exhausted, right? Even though you come into the meeting tired, you actually get energized and go. That I think is the most important part of that club, and that is what connects me to that club.
okay, so thank you so much, sir. Like it was very nice listening to you. So next, I want to ask this question to Perathu Selvi ma'am. So you've been part of the XCOM from the beginning of the club, and I want to ask you, what makes you proud to be part of Dynamic Leaders Forum?
First, more than feeling proud, it is, I had, and even now I have a feeling of oneness among the team. It is the feeling of oneness here. It's the feeling of oneness, and each and every one are given the required importance. As Ashwati ma'am rightly said, each and everyone's opinion. It's not about a fresh year or a senior Toastmaster, nothing of that sort. Each and every one lend their ears and respect what we say. They get back to it, and people are open-minded to change. If what they say is accepted, well and good. If not, they are given enough explanation and the person also agrees with it. So it is put in such a way that it convinces. We are made to realize and come to a new picture. See, being from a teacher fraternity, I didn't have an exposure to mingle with non-teachers. It is highly, I never had a chance to do that. We have colleagues, 99% teachers. So I didn't have that exposure of mingling with another crowd. So that was the very great investment what I had here. Yeah. So that exposure, each and every one, dear Toastmasters over here, they are from unique fields. So I admire each and every one. And my first proud moment is when my voice was heard and when I felt, okay, I can be a secretary. And Manju ma'am and Ashwati ma'am was completely behind me. They trained me. I found it extremely difficult, but still they gave me the confidence. They made me take up the position, and I was able to manage it. That's only because of them. And all these are so many proud moments I had.
Okay.
And nobody has given me compliments for my voice. But here in this club, everyone compliments me for that voice. So I feel so proud about it after joining the club.
Yes, and thank you so much. I was actually looking forward to hear you sing today, but we all missed it. Next, I want to call Toastmaster Kavita. So if you have to publicize our club to your friends, like what one thing will you stress on? Tell me this like within like 2 sentences.
One is attitude, helping attitude among people.
Yeah,
in the team, everyone will, like anytime when we message them and ask for something, immediately they will, respond you. That is number one. And number two is, as Saparata Selvi ma'am said, like there is no like new joiners or old, experienced people. Like whoever joins, like the day one, they will call you for TT master, give the topic and come on. And whatever you did, they'll appreciate us like anything, and it will be a very good motivating factor for us, to go on and continue with it. So I think these two major things I experienced it. Definitely, I'll tell this to my friends also. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Toastmaster Kavita. So next, I want to call Toastmaster Rohini. So what do you think is your greatest learning from this club?
Greatest learning, main thing is like we have to practice and give them time for everything. So that's the one greatest thing I learned. We should practice a lot, and we should give time for it.
Yes, ma'am, you're absolutely right.
What I gained from Dynamic Leaders Forum, actually, I quit my job after I joined Toastmaster Forum in Infosys. So when Manju ma'am called me and asked, I was like, oh, I kept this one open and I didn't do anything. Let me join and redo it. So see, it's after you were busy for so much time in office and not professional, and once you quit out of professional life, you will be like you are not belong to this world or that world.
Yes.
So it was this 1 year Toastmasters. Maybe I didn't do many speeches, but I was always there in most of the XCOM meetings. So it was giving me a feeling that I'm still a professional person. That is the main thing I gained, and that is the confidence it gave me from Dynamic Leaders Forum. That's why I this time also I said I will not be in ExCom, but still I couldn't resist myself to being at least in as an associate. Whether I am doing it or not, I wanted to be part of that group of people.
Well said, ma'am. Thank you so much. Next, I want to call Toastmaster Vaishnavi, one of our newest joinees in Dynamic Leaders Forum. So far, which role do you think is your favorite role? You're not audible.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
So far, the most favorite role of mine is the listening master role, where you can listen throughout the meeting and prepare interesting questions. Prior to joining the club, my only goal was to improve my speaking skills, but only after joining I realized how significant listening is to be an effective communicator. So now I enjoy the listening task as well. Besides this, I also like the role of table topic master because only they will get a chance to put either Toastmasters or guests in the hot seat.
Okay, yeah, listening master is one of my favorite roles to play too, because you have to be like attentive throughout the meeting. Like you cannot even like zone out for a minute. Next, I want to call Toastmaster Cyril. He has played a key role in organizing today's meeting. Today's meeting will not have been possible without him. So can you share your experience so far as a member of Dynamic Leaders Forum?
Am I audible?
Yeah, we can hear you.
So I guess I met Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmasters with my previous club where we had a joint meeting, and to be very frank, the first joint meeting itself was a awe for me. Like such professionally the meeting was conducted and things were so beautiful. Talking about my experience, it's been a roller coaster ride. I met some amazing mentors. So I was started off with my communication track mentor and leadership mentor, Manju ma'am and Sridevi ma'am. So first time I was introduced to two mentors, like holding me from both the sides and saying that this is the right way, you should do that. So it's been a fabulous experience, and a fabulous experience organizing this meeting among all the people who were there. Probably Ashwini ma'am would probably speak it out in her closing address, but it was wonderful.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Cyril. So the last question for the day goes to Toastmaster Vivek. So what is your favorite role to play in Toastmasters?
I think my favorite role is the grammarian, because you get to be the Shakespeare of the meeting, where you kind of listen to everybody and you don't actually spot out the nitty-gritty, but you also kind of help them improve their skills. So I think that role is both good for you because you become good at identifying the mistakes, and you also help people improve. So that role has been really interesting and good for me to do.
Well said. You know, I really love playing the grammarian role too. Like it's one of the roles I look forward to. So for those of you who still want to share your experience about the club, I'm going to put a Mentimeter link in the private in the chat box below. So all of you feel free to click on it and just give me a second. I will be putting it.
So if you have a phone besides, you can even scan if you have a QR code scanner. Otherwise, just click on the link which Kirtana is just posting on the chat box.
Yeah, it's posted on the chat. So you can click on it and you can tell us like, you know, what you love about Dynamic Leaders Forum. Because what better way to finish today's celebratory meeting than to listen to all the memories and stories that our fellow Dynamic Toastmasters have to say. With this, we come to the end of this fun-filled evening. But don't worry, guys, because I'm pretty sure that we will be back with the same enthusiasm and zeal next year to celebrate our second-year anniversary. I hope that the first anniversary of Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmasters Club will be cherished by all of you for many more years to come. I would like to hand over the spotlight to our president, Toastmaster Ashwati Rajan.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Kirtana, for that wonderful way of conducting this meeting. Today we really had fun. It was like literally celebrating your own birthday, the same enthusiasm, same energy, and the sessions were so well planned and well executed also. Each and every role player, they did their job so well. And join me and give a round of applause for the whole team for wonderfully preparing this meeting. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And if you all remember, we also had a contest for mask making competition. So yes, thank you. These are the words. Okay, so these are the words which our members have filled, that after joining Dynamic Leaders Forum Toastmasters Club, these are the changes they found in themselves. So a lot of words are there: confidence, enthusiasm, awesome, public speaking, vocal variety, many things. So I would request our PR team to come up with a beautiful flyer with this word cloud. Thank you so much. So can we also have the result for mask making? Okay, so this is the winning mask number 5. And do you want to know who made this mask? Yes, of course, it is Toastmaster Cyril Thomas. Congratulations. I request Toastmaster Cyril to wear that mask, and let's take a picture along with this certificate. Zoom Master. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Now I would like to hear some feedback from our guest and also from DTM Durga ma'am. Is she there? I think she's not there. Okay, so let's call our guests for the feedback. We have Chandrasekhar sir, Toastmaster Chandrasekhar. Sir, we would like to hear from you.
Hello, Toastmasters. What I can say, the last 2 hours have been mesmerizing, wonderful, absolutely fantastic. It is a great pleasure for me to be here. The first time, birthday of our anniversary, whatever you call, for our beloved Dynamic Leaders Forum. In fact, morning when Keetana just invited me, I asked her only one question: is there any table topic session? She said no, and I just said, okay, I will then come over there. So truly, it was an absolutely fantastic session. It is well planned and well executed. In fact, it really made me the envy about your club. Recently, we had 200th meeting. I wish we had such a meeting that time. Great learning, a great experience. All the best for the years to come. And I would like to come and participate once again, second, third, fourth, and go on. Congratulations, everyone in this club. Back to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us and sharing these wonderful words with all of us. Thank you. We also have Toastmaster Manikvelan. He's from YMCA Toastmasters. Toastmaster Manikvelan, would you like to share something?
Am I audible?
Yes.
First of all, I would like to thank Ashwati ma'am for giving me the meeting to participate. It was a wonderful meeting, and it was such a fun-filled session. I hadn't expected this team activity and all. To be frank, they also gave me a chance to perform the team activity. Thank you so much. And it was, I had some positive vibes after attending your meeting. Do continue this. And I would like to attend your second club anniversary to the next year. Thank you all.
Thank you, Toastmaster Manikvel, for joining us on this special day. We also have Ritika with us. Guest Ritika. We would like to hear from you, Ritika. Hello. Okay, I think she's not connected. Yeah. So now I request all those who have just turned on their videos to just turn on to have a group pic, our first anniversary special group pic. Zoom Master, can you please help?
Do we need mask? My
Yeah.
mask is really
Yes.
bad one.
Yes.
I made it a paper.
That's
Wow, nice mask,
from
ma'am.
my spectacles.
Is everyone in? Cool. Cheese. Yeah, and one more. Yep. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So I think Ritika is there. Hi, Ritika. Okay, she's having some network issues. So no problem. So dear Toastmasters, let's keep this energy like keep up the energy like this, and let us have many more anniversaries and many more celebrations in the next coming days also. So with that, I hereby adjourn the club's today's meeting with the Golden Gavel. But still, I would request all of you to stay back and have a chit chat, informal chit chat after this meeting. Thank you.
Ritika says program was awesome. She's from Nepal actually. She's in Nepal right now.
Yeah, she has some network issues, I think. Hello, Gautam. Gautam is there, but his camera is switched off.
Live is ended.
Okay,
Yes.
Chat.
Rosa, you can close the recording also. Stop the
Actually,
recording.
it was